And you keep your connection. I like to do, quite often when I do my hand positions, I have a triangle there with these fingers, because that concentrates that area. Straight away I know she's got problems in her hips, but she's a 13-year-old westie, so she's going to have. So I would shock her ray there 3 times. We're going to go back up her shoulder points. Good girl, lady. So, to me, she's got a bit of a blockage or something here. There you go. Is that better?
Good.
Nice lady. You're going to let me, is that you telling me I can touch your third eye and your crown? Good girl. Thank you. Let me touch your third eye then. There we are. Thank you. Good girl. So you're doing all the sweep on the animal. If you notice, normally you would not go up here to do an aura sweep, but Lady's letting me because she put her head right down. That's her accepting me to do things for her because she's used to it. She knows what the Reiki is. Do you want to do that side or no? Because I can't get round. I think she'll let you. So okay, you're going to let Nikki do it now. So that's it. You start there. Brilliant. Yeah, go to the base, that's it. See us trembling. Okay, and then work your way back up. So you're doing that, because I've done this side, but I couldn't get round to do, so you're doing sort of there and there. Good girl, lady. She's thinking what they're all staring at.
You're a star, lady.
You're a superstar. Yeah. Work your way back up here. She's putting her head down for you. There you go. So she's accepted you. You can touch her crown. You can touch her third eye. So I just send the healing like that and shook her eye. It's amazing, isn't it, how they just accept that healing. So then you aura sweep her. Sweep her out. That's it. And if you feel her aura, do you feel anything?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, that's her hips because she's got real bad arthritis there.
Yeah.
And she's put her head down here because she's got cataracts now, so her sight's going. So she's allowed you to heal her. So then seal this energy. Chakra her 3 times. So it's bottom, middle, top. should, and then you seal it. I did it the wrong way round. So then you seal it. Sorry. So you've sealed in that healing you've given her, and now you're sealing her completely.
Okay.
And obviously you're not going to grab her paws and send her things, but you can send her colour if you wish to.
Mm.
I want to send her lots of purple from this side.
Of course, magenta the other.
It was orange actually.
How will you send her it if that's what you're feeling? She's liking it. And then we cut the link and we thank the Ascending Masters. And then more importantly, we thank the little one. Thank you. Oh, you want to get a treat now? Should we get you a treat?
Just somebody made